go from this to this. I'm Sarah and I'm going to show you how to get a stable tone. Now, if you're learning the recorder as an adult, something I see very often is this unwanted wobble in the sound, an involuntary vibrato. It doesn't sound great, and if you want to level up your playing, I'm going to help you get rid of it. Listen to this wobble. There are two main problems that cause this wobble, and I'm going to give you practical exercises for all of it. One, the recorder has no resistance. It's a hole. When you blow, the air just falls away. There is no reed to offer resistance, no embouchure to push against. If you don't have any breath support, your airstream is just going to tumble out uncontrolled. Exercise 1. Let's add that resistance back in. Without the recorder, we are going to blow a long breath out on the syllable. Ready? I'll give you 4 clicks in. While that wasn't pretty, the added resistance with your lips meant that no wobbles were possible. Let's try it again, dialing back the resistance a little, like this. Ready? Practice this exercise daily, gradually moving the resistance from Now let's go a step further, because obviously we can't play the recorder with our lips like. We are going to need to provide breath support. As you blow out, we are not just releasing the air in one go. As we inhale, we expand. And as we exhale, we are controlling this breath out with our muscles here. How to locate these muscles? Well, our first exercise on the can help us to feel those muscles activate. I'm feeling them pushing out. So here is exercise 2. First, without the recorder, and then with. We're going to place the hands around the middle and blow 4 short bursts of air and then 1 long blow. It will sound like the short bursts will help you feel what is going on, and the long breath helps to train that breath support. Let's go. One last time. At this point, I want to mention something very important that is never ever talked about. Your pelvic floor. And yes, everyone has a pelvic floor. As someone who has given birth in the past few years, I pay a lot of attention to my pelvic floor. I have a physio, and even though it affects many aspects of daily life, it's rarely talked about in music. I'm not a medical professional, but I will share what I have learned here. You should not be pushing down with your pelvic floor as you blow, okay? So with any breathing exercise, the or anything, keep your pelvic floor relaxed and neutral. Let's take that long breath out from this exercise and move it on to the recorder. Our aim is a steady tone. Take a comfortable note, a C on an alto, and blow out with a nice strong breath, imagining your breath support system guiding the air out. Ready? doesn't matter how long you blow for, the aim is a steady tone. Practice this exercise on your own on different notes, doing it a few times every day to see results. So remember earlier in the video when I said there were 2 reasons your tone is wobbly? Yep, here's the second. You are holding air back. We recorder players worry that we'll run out of air, so we hold our air back, blow as little as we can to make it to the end of the phrase, but this just creates a wobbly, weedy tone. I feel tense doing that. It feels counterintuitive, but if I blow more, I feel like I have more air. So we're going to practice combining your new skills of breath support with a beautiful full tone. Here's an exercise. We will blow out on a nice open note, E on an alto. I want you to not only blow strong, but move the volume up and down a little as you blow. You can follow me. Ready? 2, 3. Changing the volume in these smooth waves not only practices your control over your airstream, but it helps it to stay flexible and avoid that feeling of being stuck. Because what happens when we clamp fast and we get stuck? Wobble! So now you have 4 really effective exercises to practice your tone, stability and breath support. It won't happen in a day, so make sure you go through these exercises daily to really hear results. I have made a PDF exercise sheet that you can download for free via the link below, so check it out. And before we go, I know you're probably into early music, so I just want to shout out Continuo Connect. Continuo Connect is a website where the early music and chamber music concerts in the UK are all gathered together in one place. If you're looking for a concert to go to, it's there. There are artist profiles, interviews, articles. There's even the adjacent Continuo Foundation that helps to fund early music projects. It's become a really important resource for early music in the UK. So if you don't already know about Continuo Connect, check it out. That was it for today. As always, you can subscribe to my channel by clicking on my face down here. If you would like to support Team Recorder, thank you to my wonderful patrons. You can join the Patreon team here, and here's some more videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye!